Welcome or welcome back to another LeetCode problem, but we're going to be solving reverse integers. Let's click on this. If you've been here before, you know we copy from the bottom to the top, which is right here, and go all the way up. Let's see what, hey, so this is from our last LeetCode problem. This is what Chat came up with, and here's what Gemini came up with. So which one do y'all think is better? Plug that into it there. Let's see what Gemini comes up with. And then we're going to have ChatGPT enhance this story. Let's see what we got here.
Here's your enhanced anime version of reverse integer the spirit mirror, along with the thumbnail prompt crafted to match the tone. LeetCode quest, reverse integer, codename the spirit mirror theme. You are Ren Kodama Whisperer. Enhanced story, in the gleaming soul of Neo-Kyoto, where neon rivers dance through ancient shrines, the city's balance is guarded by Kodama, tiny digital spirits humming with ancestral power. Each number in this world is more than math. It's a soul, a current, a whisper. Ren, the youngest Kodama whisperer of his line, stands before the input gate, the air vibrating with the arrival of a restless spirit. A number arrives, unstable, reversed, pulsing with discord. It is Ren's sacred duty to reverse this Kodama's flow and restore its harmony, but the path is delicate. One wrong pulse, one overreach, and the Kodama becomes a void echo, a runaway surge that could fracture the ethereal lattice of the city. Ren's spirit reversal. With glowing fingertips, Ren draws the final digital echo from the spirit, the last digit. Slowly, he reshapes it at the head of a new spiritual mold. One by one, he extracts and places each echo, rebuilding the Kodama's flow in reverse. Each addition triggers a harmony check. His inner vision flares, scanning for imbalance. If the reversed spirit grows too powerful, his body trembles with warning. If it collapses into negativity too deep, his breath catches with dread. Imbalance, he mutters, feeling the sharp pull in his chest. If this warning strikes, Ren must release it, letting it vanish into zero. A void echo. A failed restoration, but a safe city. But if each echo lands true, if balance holds, then the reversed spirit stabilizes. The number is transformed, harmony is restored, and Ren, glowing with inner peace, knows the spirit is whole again. Java code, Java class solution, public int reverse int x, int reversed spirit equals 0. While x equals 0, int last digit equals x 10. If reversed spirit integer.max value 10, reverse spirit equals integer.max value /10, return 0, void echo overflow. If reverse spirit integer.min value 10 and reverse spirit integer.min value is 10 and last digit man is 8, return 0 co and un0. Void echo underflow. Reverse spirit equals reverse spirit plus last digit, return reverse spirit.
Name this code, see if it works. And that was quick. Let's see what the next problem is on it. See if that's that. The next problem is string to integer. All right, this one is marked medium. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.